Alright, this is Clearwater Beach Rec Center, and we're going to go in the clean out right next to the soda machine. Is that a fitting right there? So we're going to go under the building first. This is a hard calcium buildup, so we're going to have to get in here and grind this out. Alright, now I want to go out away from the building. Cast iron.
Did they have the door open? The door? The back door?
Change to PVC, little section of PVC. It looks like clay. Looks like clay. There's our manhole, 95 feet. We're just drop it into clay. Maybe it's not the manhole. This is probably the manhole. No, we have those troughs in the manhole.
Yeah, they looked yellow.
Alright, so that's 105 feet. That's out to the manhole. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video.